Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable fast boot on MSI Thin A15. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there's a video on our channel on how to do it. And once that's done, go to boot. Then go to fast boot and you'll see enable. You can click on that to set it to disabled as well. So it has its advantages and disadvantages. If it's set to enabled, then the laptop will boot much faster, but it'll use a bit of power when it's turned off, because it may discharge your battery even if it's shut down, and also it may not kill all processes. So if you turn off your laptop by clicking on shutdown, then turn it on by clicking on the power button, there's a chance that it'll not fully restart. And if you set it to disabled, then it'll always fully restart after you shut it down. But of course, if it's set to enabled and you need a full restart, then in the system, instead of shutting it down, you can click on restart and it'll perform a full one. Although I prefer to have it on disabled so it doesn't use my battery. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.